Hi everyone, it's time for pictures on Saturday, which means it is bun time. I'm going to do a brief video just to show you how to do the bun. Nothing to worry about or to get stressed over. It's pretty simple. All you're going to need is a hairnet. This is a hairnet that you should be getting if they come in packages that look like this, which are 10 in a pack. You can also get some, I believe they come in 3 in a pack, or we also have them at the studio. There's a few left, 2 for $1. Medium, this is the medium brown. They usually is fine for most hair color. They also come in different colors as well. You'll need a hair tie, bobby pins, hairspray. All you have to simply do, it's also easier when your child's hair is wet. Put their hair in a ponytail. At the crown of the head, to find the crown of the head, follow their chin line to the ear to the top. And that is the crown of their head. There should be no bangs except for our kinder dancers. The kinder dancer class, if you have natural bangs that you already have, you are allowed to keep the bangs. Everyone else needs to be slicked back into the pony. All right, so we're gonna put our ponytail in. It is helpful if the hair is wet. It kind of just makes it easier for you to get into the ponytail and get all the hair in place. Once you have your ponytail in place, twist and then start wrapping in the circle. Once it's like that, you can then take your bobby pins, and I do suggest the ones with the little ridges on the side because that helps lock the hair in place, and you simply go around the bun. Once you have a few in place, you then get the magic hairnet. Open up like a big circle, wrap it around the bun, twist it to form a figure 8, wrap it around again. You can even do 3 times depending on how big your child's bun is. It's in place now, and a few more bobby pins. And that is all it takes. You can then spray the wispies with some hairspray, comb it back. You can also use some gel. If they do have short layers, the snap clips in the color of their hair also does wonderful. Then you just snap it in the back to keep that up. If your child has short hair, the trick to that is getting one of those fake hair scrunchies. Put that around their little ponytail and then follow the same procedure, and that will give them more of a volume of a bun. If you have very thick hair, you can also take your time and do 2 twists and go around, and you'll get a bigger bun. You don't want a big high bun this way. You want more of a round flat bun is what we are looking for. Please do not use the bun donuts. They actually do not, they look pretty, but they don't stay in place during the whole day, especially at recital time when they are dancing around and flipping in acro. We have found many, many bun donuts on the floor at the end of rehearsals. And backstage, they are always redoing the bun donuts. So please do not use them. Save your money. All you need is this. Any questions, feel free to contact us. We are more than happy to help you guys here at the studio. Thanks, everyone. See you on picture day, April 1st.